It's 1:34 in the afternoon and we're still at Sunoco here in beautiful Newburgh, New York. I'm about to go trash picking. There really isn't any trash picking today. The pickup isn't for like another week and a half, but we're gonna go down there and see what we find anyway. So I'll see you when we get there. So here we are at the first pile of the day. And it took a long time to find a pile actually. Let's see what's in here. No grates in the grill. There's a lot of milk crates though. I don't know what's in all these milk crates. Here's a jack handle. A lot of weird electronic stuff. But it looks like it's been sitting in the rain. I mean, there is a little bit of wire. You can see kind of like down there. But other than that, this is just kind of like a grimy, rainy pile. So I think I'll go through it and see if I can find any wire. See if there's anything in here at all. Actually, I think I can include you in the process. See? It's a lot of like really little piece of chain. That's our pile so far. Alright, we were just interrupted by some lady honking at me because I left my door open and she couldn't get around. I don't know why that bothers me because I was in the wrong. Let's see. What are all these things right here? I don't know. Electrician stuff? More dirty, grimy stuff. Ah, here we go. I like this. That's some good wire right there. A lot of it too. Try not to make too much of a mess, but you know. Whoa. You know, I wasn't even gonna dig through these crates, but it looked like we found a lot of wire. There's another piece of wire. I guess I would say that's it. These people are probably stunned that anyone's even looking through this crap, but that's probably like 10 pounds of wire. And this is kind of like good heavy gauge copper wire too. Let's see if we can find anything of value in this pile. I doubt it. It's a lot of kids' toys again. But these are like real grimy kids' toys. Let's see. A worn out tool. Kids' playpen. At least they wrapped up the mattresses. Some glasses. Check it out. Disney shoes or something. Yeah, this pile's a waste. Wow, it is dead as a doornail out here. And it's also hot. It's the first time this year that I've been out picking where the heat is bugging me. I mean, it's not really bugging me that bad, but got some tiles. These sleds used to be fun. What's down here? A toolbox with little mayonnaise jars. Look at that. Hellmann's mayonnaise. I almost want that jar. Nothing in it. Can I take this jar? This is a Smucker's jar. Smucker's peanut butter full of Brads. Alright, I'll take that. Wow. These people, like, they must have liked sandwiches. Upholstery tacks in a mayonnaise jar. And this is just a plain jar. Another mayonnaise jar filled with nails. Is that what it's come down to? Sandwich spread and nails? Is that all I'm gonna find today? Alright, well, there's another box full of jars. Skippy creamy peanut butter. Wow, it's super windy now. Heinz. What was in there? Heinz something. Horseradish. You know, there were a lot of problems with food purity, like in the early 20th century. And then Heinz started selling horseradish in clear jars so you could see that it was pure. Changed the whole industry. That's baby food. A bunch of washers in there. Why do I want to take this thing of washers? Do I need these washers? I guess. Alright. So we've been out picking for an hour now, and we found wire and 4 jars of nothing. Let's hope it picks up, even though I doubt it will. Oh, and listen to me complaining about how I've found nothing, but right over here in the same pile that I didn't even see. It's a cast iron pan. Made in Korea. It's only 3/4 full with mouse poop. We'll take it. When I was a kid, I used to go to the library. Now I don't have to do any of that stuff because there's a library right here on the side of the road. See? Straight up and party. The Great Gatsby. These books are what you call soaking wet but still readable. Who's this? Confessions of a Video Vixen. Hand Me Down, Heartbreak. James Patterson. I really want to find like one book in here that I can read, but Things Fall Apart. Novel. Ugh, I don't really like novels. Anyway, so today we didn't really find anything that I wanted to read, like Encyclopedia Brown or anything, but see, why go to the library when you could just go to people's recycle bin and find these great books that are only like slightly wet? I wish every pile didn't have a big white object in it to screw up the exposure on the camera, but they all seem to. So let's see, what do we have here? Cardboard boxes. Some more books. A book. Patrick O'Brien's Navy. This pile smells a little bit weird. Alright, we have a cord. Make sure to pull all the cord out until you see the red thing. And then we'll cut the cord. Oh, is this gonna embarrass me? Oh, did you see that? Sorry. I punched you all in the face. And I usually don't take microwave cords, but on a day like today, I'll take whatever I can get. And I'm guessing this is one of those Crosley record players. It's not a Crosley, but yeah, I don't know. I don't think we really want that. So I guess we got a couple of cords. 1 cord, 2 cord, red cord, blue cord. And that's better than nothing on a day like today. It seems like it's been an eternity since the last pile. But it hasn't. Probably 25 minutes or something. So here's the next pile. Wow. Tennis rackets, anyone? I pick up tennis rackets from time to time. Let's see. That's a good thing right there. Little box of Romex. Wire your house. And empty electronic box with some coax. Scholastic box. Oh, look at this. The Scholastic Checkers and Backgammon Fun Pack. Make your own charm bracelet. Oh my goodness. I know. Wait. Hello Kitty goes to the movies? Hello Kitty. Happy Hearts Day. Bakugan Battle Brawlers. Alright, we're definitely taking the DVDs and all of the make your own charm bracelets. Because I have a little friend who likes making jewelry. Wow, $3. I'm guessing it's not actual sterling. Then a bucket. We going to the beach anytime soon? No, we are not. Got a little bag down here. What's in the bag? Blocks, wood, nothing. You know, when I got out of the car, I thought this was going to be the worst pile in the history of ever, but I'm actually stunned that we got a couple of 2-3 things out of it. Romex and some DVDs and jewelry kits, so let's call this one a win. I had to walk all the way down a street and through a red light and an intersection, risking life and limb, and having a lot of people looking at me kind of weird too, because I want to check out these chairs over here. You know, sometimes when you do weird stuff, you have to just accept the fact that people are going to look at you weird. Besides, everyone's got a camera now. And these are nice chairs. They're not stackable at all, but we can like put them upside down, right? So we've got our chairs, and now let's see if we can get back to the car without getting creamed. So there it is, way, way, way up here. These chairs, they don't look heavy, but they're real heavy when you're trying to carry them with one hand. And all right, here we are. I would say that was worth it. Just had to stop at the post office. I almost forgot to mail my eBay packages. Yeah, eBay's still a thing. But let's get back to the route and see if we can find anything else to sell. Here's a pile that may or may not have potential. Crappy chairs, weathered old Spider-Man bike, lawnmower that somebody tried unsuccessfully to repair, mattress, blue foam stuff. Well, I guess I jumped the gun on this pile because this pile is not a particularly good pile. I like this big bag though. It's like a big garbage bag. Heavy duty, and it's filled with styrofoam. Well, whatever. All right, let's keep going. This is a very noisy piece of equipment down the street making a shrieking noise. But I saw what looks like the rear end of a truck sticking out of this bucket. So I decided to get out and look at the truck. And there's the truck. That would be like a real nice truck in real life. An F-250 Super Duty, all jacked up, with the back axle and everything. But as far as trash picking goes, anything in here? No, nothing. All right, let's keep trying. I don't think I've ever been on this road before. It's like a little dirt road with the obligatory giant white mattress. Let's see if vacuum cleaner that, oh my goodness, still has a cord on it. That was creepy. I felt like I was, you know, reaching up into a cow's tummy to give birth to a new cow or something. But no, I was just reaching for the cord. Let's see. Empty cans of Mobil 1. Wow. This is a big, long pile. Lots of bags of garbage and stuff. But, hey, at least we found a cord, right? I don't know. What do you think? Maybe we should take the whole vacuum cleaner. I'm just kidding. I've never taken a whole vacuum cleaner in my life. Okay, this is very exciting. Looks like all of our hard work has finally paid off. Well, here's another big white thing to blow out my exposure. But look what we found. A Ross bicycle. And most Ross bicycles are kind of crappy, but this one has alloy wheels on it. It's called the Grand Tour. Let's see. It's got 4130 chromoly tubing. It's a little frame. Now the only problem with this thing is it's got like rust in the frame right here. I don't know. It's a lightweight bike. It's got skewers front and rear, which Rosses usually don't. It's just super crusty. But on a day like today, I'm not going to be picky at all. So I'm going to take my beautiful blue bike and hang it right on my bike rack. Take a little better look at it. Tonga high tensile steel fork blade, SR stem, deluxe handlebar. Let's take that off before it blows into someone's windshield. Shimano brakes over here. Yeah, this is an okay bike. You know, considering that we haven't found anything today at all. It's not a great bike, it's not perfect, but better than nothing. And you know, with that, I think we'll call it a day. It's been a slow day, but as usual, it's been a fun day. It's always fun trash picking. And so, I appreciate you guys coming out trash picking with me. Until next time, thanks so much for watching.